Miracom's Highway 101 is an enterprise application integration solution that integrates different applications and systems operated by companies such as ERP, CRM, and SCM. Highway 101 can integrate and manage real-time updates and data transformations across all systems without having to be entered directly by the administrator in each database or application every time data is updated. Highway 101 has many advantages over other solutions. First, composed of a variety of middleware-based architectures, it enables systems optimized for deployment environments. Second, we increase development productivity by the simple GUI-based development environment and minimizing coding. Third, it provides a monitoring environment that enables efficient operation. Highway 101 consists of a development module, an operation management module, and a monitoring module. Adapter set is a key module of integration that provides connectivity for various systems and protocols within and outside the enterprise. With various types of adapters that we provide, adapter functions can be easily set up. Integration Modeler is a GUI-based tool with adapter and control capabilities, and it supports modeling and testing of interfaces. Easy to model with drag and drop, and debugging with simple execution. The MOM module provides enterprise messaging technology for real-time message communication between processes and provides an optimal environment for heterogeneous application communication. Specifically, it provides communication infrastructure for applications that are directly related to production within a manufacturing company. The Resource Administrator is a tool that automatically extracts metadata from DB, SAP, web service, and etc. You can extract schemas from various contexts and modify and utilize metadata. Monitoring, administration, alert, message tracking, and log management features provided by Task Manager, a Highway 101 management module, enable centralized management of linked systems and processes. The Monitoring Administrator is a monitoring module that lets you register interface master data and monitor interface processing history. It provides interface master data registration and history and lets you analyze the interface using Flow Tracker. Highway 101 is applicable to all industries, including general, manufacturing, public, and facility environment management. Highway 101 maximizes internal information activities and strengthens business competitiveness by interfacing real-time communication between standard-based real-time applications inside and outside the company and data from the legacy systems.